it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and to a Saturday Stash Dive. I did do this layout on a Saturday. It was at one of Khristina Sorge's Palooza classes, and it's one about color blocking. So I will be color blocking, and I'm going to use that paper right there. And the other one on the right, I thought I was going to use it, but I flipped it over and seen it was flowers. And, I might have used a chunk out of it already, but I had plans to save the rest for fussy cutting. And there is a couple already fussy cut. I had like a double collection here. I'd ordered two, so I had a couple done. Thank goodness. I was able to keep up on this layout with Khristina. So, that's always a plus right there. But I may not have if I'd had the fussy cut more of the flowers. I barely made it. I'm picking out the papers that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to go ahead and color block them and put them down. And I did keep the background paper solid instead of gutting it or anything, since I do have these papers. I would have had to put something else to make it firm back there, so I left it solid. And that paper is color Bach, and I'm going to have another darker blue one, and it's going to be from Color Bach also. You can get like for $5 a pad at Walmart, and it's got different shades of blue, and then another one green, another one red, and so on. Well, I totally lied about that. That blue paper there is from American Crafts. I got a pack of like 25 at Big Lots once. But that blue goes great with this. And the other side, I don't think I'll ever use it. I've only used the blue side, and I probably have half of it gone. And let's see. Oh, I am doing some fussy cutting. Yeah, and keeping up, which, like I said, I'm surprised. And instead of pulling the color block out, I don't know why I didn't, because I do have the red. I just used a scrap that was in the scrap bin to match my photo with. But I did check, and it did match really good with the darker part of that plaid down there in the right hand corner and the flowers that I'm going to be putting on the layout. And I did triple matte the the photo. I triple matted the photo. And I picked this collection because of the colors that's in the kids' shirts, especially Joey's, because he has all the colors that's in this collection. I think it sure does look like it anyway. But yeah, we had met them one day over there at Cape where they live, and we met them in the parking lot. And you meet somebody in the parking lot, they need to know they're going to get their picture taken. And I'll take it right off the bat so I won't forget, get to visiting and talking and all that and forget. But yeah, we met in the parking lot, and then we went in. And since I didn't have ephemera and stuff for a restaurant, I decided to go with a picnic since it is summer in the picture. And I have that gingham plaid looking stuff over there on the right, which, I thought went pretty good with my idea. And doilies, that always goes with a picnic too. So yeah, I am going to add two of the doilies, and then the leftovers from one of them I'm going to tuck underneath the picture, but you're not going to see much of it by the time I start putting stuff on. Yeah, it has such cute stuff that I could put on there. And see that yellow jar? It's a gallon jar like for lemonade. I put it on there, so then I had to bring yellow in. There is tiny bits of yellow in the flowers, but it's kind of a mustard yellow. So I will be pulling out my tickets, my container with the tickets that's already fussy cut. And I'm going to use some yellow ones there. And I'm going to put like one in each one of the clusters. Even though the lemonade jug is already there, I needed something that went with the other two colors of yellow. It's a little bit brighter. You will see in a little bit that it is. And I'm pulling those brads out, thinking I'm going to use one. However, I don't think I do. I can't see one on here right now. And I'm looking. So I think it's going to go back on that cardboard thingy and not get used. And I will pull out some puffy hearts they're not going to get used either. But I cut that out because I figured I'm not going to use them anyway. So I might as well have it cut out of the video. My videos take a long time to upload. I'm thrilled with 3 hours. Sometimes I have took 7 or 8 when the internet's not doing very well. And my video's longer. If it's around 10 minutes, it's better. It's the 3 hours, which I'm thrilled with. I'm just putting all kinds of stuff that I like on here. Everything that I look at that I like. And then, of course, I wanted that yellow. So there was a couple of yellows in that little container, but there was 3 of this yellow. So it made the cut since there was 3 of them. Well, there was more than 3, but I needed at least 3. And so there's going to be sunshine, get away and play. And the top one, all that shows is ticket. And so it works out pretty good anyway, since it is the right color and there isn't much room up there at the top anyhow. And I'm really not sure if any time I did edit the video, if I put the title on there while I was doing the editing. I don't remember seeing it. But at the end, the pictures will have the title. I think I put it on later. Like I said, I was so excited that I finished it in time to be finished the same time as Khristina that I forgot all about the title. But I did think about it later and it went on later. But it isn't recorded. I thought I was done with it. Done, really done, and I was thrilled. That's all I can say. I was thrilled. One earlier, I felt like I barely got started and she was done. So yeah, I was behind on it and then thrilled at this one. And if you're not done, she'll say, okay, lay on my side. We're starting the next one. So yeah, that's why I was excited. And going along the lines of food and a picnic, I decided to pull out my candy, puffy candy. It's Sticko, I believe, and it's from Walmart. I know that. It's like $1 something a package, but it's so cute to add to your page. And I'm going to add a piece of candy in each one of the clusters. And of course, I got my yellow ticket in each one and some flowers in each one. But then I'm thinking I need something else. So I will add some little phrase stickers there. And I will also use that darker blue to go behind them. I think I add the phrase stickers right after I add the enamel dots. So then I'll be done because, usually the enamel dots are last. However, I decided I needed the phrase stickers. The enamel dots are some by Pink Fresh, and I'm only going to use the yellow ones because, I was in the mood for yellow, I guess, on this layout. So, yeah, I found another way to add some more yellow. But my phrase stickers say something to smile about, and yay, it's Saturday because this was a Saturday, and oh, so happy and life captured. Oh, and if anyone's wondering, the camera's from Chamel. I believe it was a Christmas line that I cut that page out of. But yeah, I like to cut the cameras out so I can use them on my layouts. I love putting cameras on a layout. Did y'all notice that? Yeah, chances are there's going to be a camera on that layout if I can think of one that'll match. Well, even if I can't think of one, I might use my dies and make one. But yeah, I try to resist doing it on every single one. And I do. I do resist. But my urge is to put them on everyone. But after I get all them on there, I think I will be done with my layout. And this is the last one, and it says life captured. And it's just going to go right at the very top. It's not even going to be layered in that cluster. I just had an urge to put it at the top. So yeah, it's going up there. And that's it. That's my layout. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like my video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. But isn't that a cute lemonade jug? Yeah, I really like that. That was one of my favorite things on that sticker page. And oh, I couldn't resist putting a little bit of flour over there to the right of the photo. It was such a big empty place. I couldn't leave it all empty. Oh, and I forgot to mention what year this collection's from. It's 2018, so it's just a few years old again. I didn't dig really deep, but I wanted to upload these Palooza ones too. But I was trying to pick older stuff when I was doing the Palooza, so I'd be sure and use it. But I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.